Today we're looking at protecting and unprotecting your workbook or your sheets. So one way to make this easier, let's move up to the top. And here you have a quick access toolbar. I have just undo, redo, save, and quick print. And I think the undo, redo, and save are naturally there. Quick print is something I always like to put up there because then if I just need to print something real quick, I just click it. But you don't get the print option, so it's whatever your last or saved print settings are. So if you want to change your settings, you don't want to quick print. Anyways, we're going to go and find the lock button. Now it's not in one of the common or quick access toolbar presets, which quick print is. So you would go to more commands. Once you get into the more commands, it is not one of the popular commands, so you're going to go to all commands, wait for it to populate, and then it's alphabetical, so you go down to L, because we're looking for lock cell. Click it, click add, now it's in my quick access, click OK, and now there it is. Now every cell that I click on, you're going to see has the locked highlighted. I'm going to click here and I'm going to unhighlight it. So now this is the only cell that's different. Now I'll go to the Review tab, Protect Sheet. You can put in a password. Just know that if you forget your password, you will be in big trouble. So it's got to be something you'll be able to get into. And if you're doing it for a class assignment or something, you probably don't want to do a password. But if it's for personal use, then you can password protect your book as well. Now, if I click here and change it, everything changes like normal. But if I was to click into here, it says that it is protected, and you might have to enter a password to unprotect it. To unprotect it, you click Unprotect Sheet. If I had password protected it, it would pop up asking for the password to be able to unprotect. So, Protect Sheet, okay, now everything is locked in place except the one cell that I want to be able to change. And that is how you protect your sheet.